Yo guys, what is going on? It's Frosty, and in today's video I'm showing you how you can get Twitter Blue in every country, or how you're able to get verified on Twitter today outside of the US. As you might already found out, I'm from Germany and usually I would get the error, it's currently not available in my country. But before I'm going to show you how to get Twitter Blue in any country on the whole world, make sure to subscribe to this channel with post notifications on to never miss any related video like this. But now let's jump straight into it. First of all, you have to log out of your Apple ID, since we obviously have to create a new one. The Apple ID is actually the indicator for Twitter to check your country. You can't trick the system by using a VPN or changing your Twitter account region. Once you have successfully logged out, head over to the login page again and create a new Apple ID. I won't explain every step in detail since it's kinda self-explaining and you should be able to enter your name and birthday by yourself. Once you've created your new US Apple ID successfully, go to the App Store and try to download any free app. A notification should appear that you have to complete your Apple ID setup. Again, choose United States and agree to the terms and conditions. Now you have to enter your payment method and billing address. Select none for the payment method and go to the site linked in the description to generate a random US address. After you entered all the necessary information, your new US Apple ID got successfully created. Make sure to check your Apple ID payment and shipping settings on the Apple ID account page in the device settings and enter the same address in there. If you restart Twitter now, you should be able to see the new Twitter Blue tab on the left panel. But that's not everything. If you now try to buy it, you either have to get a US credit card or a US PayPal account with a verified resident in the United States. Since we obviously don't got this, we minimize Twitter on the payment page of Twitter Blue and open up iTunes. Scroll down till you see your Apple ID email address. Click on View Apple ID and select Country and Region. Now you can simply change your region back to your normal country, in my case Germany. Again, should ask for your payment method and billing address. I chose my credit card and put in my real information. Simply confirm the information and switch back to Twitter. The payment currency actually changed to euro once I opened up Twitter again, and I was able to click on payment button and pay via my German credit card. And that's it, you successfully tricked Elon Musk and got your Twitter account verified for only $8. I hope this video helped a lot of you. Make sure to comment what you personally think about Twitter Blue and that you are actually able to buy the verification now. If you had any other questions related to the tutorial, feel free to comment down below as well. Otherwise, I'm out and see you in the next one.